If you're not using AI in your business right now, you are leaving money on the table. Yes, real money, real time, and real opportunities. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how small business owners like you can use AI marketing tools to grow faster, work smarter, and make more sales, even if you're not tech savvy. Let's break it down into 3 powerful ways AI can help your business today. 1. Automate customer outreach. Ever missed a customer's DM or email because you were too busy or asleep? That's where AI-powered chatbots and auto-responders come in. They can handle FAQs, send follow-up messages, recommend products, and even close sales, all without you lifting a finger. Tools like Manychat, ChatGPT, and TDO can be set up in minutes. Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7, even while you're at the market, on a delivery run, or spending time with family. 2. Improve your ad targeting. Have you ever boosted a post and got 0 results? You are not alone. AI tools like Meta Ads Manager, Google Ad AI, or AdCreative.ai help you target the right audience, people who are actually interested in your product or service. It analyzes user behavior, preferences, and patterns to show your ad to the people most likely to buy. Think of it like this: instead of shouting in a crowded market, you're having a one-on-one conversation with your dream customer. 3. Analyze your sales data for smarter decisions. What's selling well? What days bring in the most money? What products are just sitting on your shelf? AI tools like Google Analytics, Pecan AI, or even Shopify's built-in tools can show you patterns and trends that are hard to see on your own. It's like having a data expert in your business, helping you decide what to stock more of, what to drop, and even how to price better. With this insight, you can stop guessing and start growing. Bonus tip: AI can also help you create content faster, from captions to video ideas, and even writing blog posts or product descriptions using tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai. And the best part, most of these tools have free versions or low-cost plans, perfect for small businesses on a budget. So whether you're selling food, fashion, skincare, or digital services, AI can help you save time, reduce stress, and grow faster. Still think AI is only for big companies? Think again. Smart small business owners are already using AI to scale, and you should too. If this helped you, kindly like this video. Drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on any of the tools I mentioned. Subscribe and follow Morton Bees Academy for more simple, smart tips to grow your business with AI. You don't need to do it all alone. Let AI give you the edge. See you in the next video.